This is how to set the clock on your Honda Civic. This is a 2014 model. Your clock in the dash up there. We're going to be using the menu, the I button, the joystick pad and the source button in the middle. So with your clock on the dash, ignition on, doors, bonnet and boot closed, because if you don't, you get an error message. If you do get the error message saying something's open, just press the I button and that clears it. So with the clock in the window, press menu, and as you can see there, adjust clock one down. So you press one down, adjust clock, press the source button, that takes you in. You've got 24 hour and 12 hour, that's up and down. Then press right to the hour, same again, up and down, and then right to the minutes, up and down. If you go over the, I'll show you, if you go over the hour, it just keeps going round, it doesn't affect the hour. And then press the source button again, that takes you to that one. Press the source button again, that takes you back to the main menu. Then press the menu button, that takes you out of the menu. Your clock's set, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to see more. Thanks very much. Bye bye.